If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After creating a chart in Excel, you can change its chart type. Alternatively, you can also change the chart subtype of the same general chart type you initially selected. Either way, be aware that if you change the chart type in Excel, you may lose any custom formatting applied to the chart, or you may need to reposition custom chart elements you added to the chart area. To change the chart type of a chart in Excel, select a chart or one of its chart elements. Next, click the Change Chart Type button in the Type button group on the Chart Design contextual tab in the ribbon. In the Change Chart Type dialog box that then opens, select a new chart type to apply from the primary chart types that appear in the pane at the left side of the dialog box. When you do that, the different subtypes of the selected chart type then appear in a scrolling list at the right side of the dialog box. Then click the specific chart subtype to apply. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of this dialog box to change the selected chart type. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.